In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your account private on Slack such that no one can find you on Slack but can see you. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So if you wish to hide your visibility or make your visibility private on Slack, go ahead and click on your profile icon down below here, and from this choose preferences. Now under preferences, go down until you see privacy and visibility. Now currently under Slack discoverability, you can see it is set to anyone, and you can see here you are told choose who can find you via Slack search. They'll only be able to see you on Slack. No presence nor workspace details will be shared. So I'll go ahead and choose no one, and therefore now no one will be able to find me on Slack. Once you're done, your changes will be saved, and now that will be your new status. No one will be able to search you on Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.